Quality is very important to us. It is a distinguishing characteristic that puts us in a class of our own, above our competitors. Quality is more than just we ship you parts that look really good and have great dimensional capability. The systems that we put in place to manage our equipment, the calibrations, how to catch and address issues when they first surface, rather than allowing them to mount and become larger problems down the road. The way we take care of our equipment and make sure that we have repairs in place before something breaks. That allows us to have an undisrupted production output and workflow. The way that we're able to address customer complaints and our corrective action and preventive action programs help us truly get to root causes of issues and put systems and measures in place to prevent it from happening again. Your true quality is the sooner you catch it, the better. And the fact that our employees are so passionate about it, which is reflected from the leadership's passion, that gets back down to them, is that they will raise their hand the moment they see something different. That's truly the mindset that they have, is they see the smallest thing out of the ordinary and they communicate that right away. The fact that we have highly passionate, engaged, and motivated employees improves the consistency and the quality of the output of parts that we have, and reduces the chances for events and bad situations that our customers would have to encounter.